Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add pre-built houses to your plot in Heartopia. So there'll be a thing called sets when you are in build mode, and there is the landscape one, there's rooms, and there's also structures. If you hate building house structures like me, you can obviously use this to build your own house, and then you can customize it yourself. I think I did the modern craftsmanship house, and then I kind of changed it to look like something else. But just press on it, and then it's going to basically load a house for you. And then you can just press the checkmark button. You can also do this for sets if you don't like to assemble them, but for sets, usually I just build it myself. But I hate creating structures, so I prefer oh, there's this super cute cottage one as well. But so I prefer houses that are already built like this because I'm really bad at architectural stuff. But anyways, that is how you can add built houses in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.